just got these new birds in, so I thought I'd just put them on YouTube. A lovely colour there, and a yellow one there, and there's a grey one. There's another grey one there, and this green one here. And at the moment I've got some babies in the, about 5 babies in there. She's just given those birth to like a week now, and I've got like, I don't know if I can get that one out. She's not gonna let me, is she? Oh crap, it's gone in the back. Right, there's 2 babies in there. Yeah, there they are. Yeah, there's 2 of them in there. So, and those 2 are in there. I don't know why she's in that one. She's supposed to be in the other box. Yeah, so they might start laying eggs again. Well, not yet, because she's got those actually. So once they a little bit big, then we'll be alright. And then that's another pair there. She's given about 5 babies there. I don't know if I can get her ones out to show. That's if she comes out. Let's have a look. Come on. Yeah, if you can we see them? Yeah, there they are. Look at there. Come on. Is she gonna let us? No. Yeah, there are about 5 little babies there. So she's covering them up, so I'll leave her to it. I just thought I'd put this video up there because I've got these different colours now. There's this blue, then there's the grey one. I've got a yellow one.